Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna see top 3 alternatives of Procreate for the Windows users. So the first one is Krita. Krita is one of the best art application for the Windows, but it is also available for the iOS. The best thing about Krita is it is free to use, which means you don't have to pay any charges to use it. Krita has a very clean and flexible interface which comes with customizable layout and also provide dark and light color themes. Krita provides you almost all the tools you need, and now you can also turn Krita into an animation studio. It also provides you features like color management, HDR painting, Python scripting, layer management, drawing assistant, and many more. And you can easily download the full version of Krita from its official website. The next application is Sketchbook. The best thing about Sketchbook is that it is available on every device. You can use it on any of these devices. It comes with the various types of brushes and also provides all essential features like layers and blend modes. It provides a natural pen interaction which feels natural like drawing on a paper, and you can easily download it from any of these stores. The last application is Adobe Illustrator. It provides you a variety of text and also comes with a new feature of shape fill. It also provides you endless pattern options and also helps to create design at any size. It also provides you a feature by which you can create and edit graphics online. You can also add dimensions to your design. You can also make 3D artworks on this. And as you know, the Adobe is known for its features, and that's why it has many of it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.